everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a golden spice that has been used for centuries in many cultures and traditional kitchens around the world. Turmeric. Many parents wonder, can babies have turmeric? What are the benefits, and at what age is it safe? Let's explore this together. So, first of all, what is turmeric? Turmeric is a bright yellow-orange spice commonly used in curries, soups, rice dishes, and traditional home remedies. It contains a natural compound called curcumin, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. At what age can babies have turmeric? Most pediatric nutrition experts recommend introducing small amounts of turmeric after babies begin solid, usually around 6 months of age. At this stage, the digestive system is more mature. Babies are already exploring new flavors, and tiny amounts of mild spices can safely be introduced. However, always introduce only a very small quantity at first. Avoid giving turmeric in supplement form to babies, and speak with your pediatrician if your baby has allergies, digestive issues, or medical conditions. Now, what are the benefits of turmeric for babies? Why we should give babies turmeric? So there are about 4 benefits. Number 1, it supports immunity. Turmeric contains antioxidants that may help support the immune system. During cold and flu seasons, many families include tiny amount of turmeric in warm foods. Number 2, it may help with digestion. Some parents find that a pinch of turmeric in soups may help support healthy digestion and reduce bloating. Number 3, it's a natural anti-inflammatory property agent. So it means that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is known for its anti-inflammatory effects. While babies only need tiny amounts, turmeric can be a part of a healthy, balanced diet. Number 4, it introduces babies to diverse flavors. Introducing gentle herbs and spices early can help babies become more accepting of a variety of foods and cultural flavors as they grow. Now, how to give turmeric to babies safely? And here are a few simple ways parents can use turmeric for babies over 6 months. Number 1, a tiny pinch in lentil soup, or mixed it into mashed vegetables. You can also add it to rice or porridge. Number 2, avoid turmeric supplements or concentrated turmeric shots for babies. Number 3, stop use if you notice rash, diarrhea, or discomfort. And number 4, always introduce one new food at a time. Final thoughts: turmeric can be a healthy and flavorful addition to your baby's diet after 6 months of age when used in very small amounts. It may support digestion, immunity, and healthy eating habits while introducing babies to natural flavors from family cooking traditions. As always, every child is different, so consult your healthcare provider if you have concerns.